Asterisk welcome back to Daily Drives, the channel where futuristic machines, advanced engineering, and the vehicles shaping our tomorrow come alive every single day. If you love powerful innovations and next-level technology, then make sure you're locked in. Because today we're diving into one of the most impressive and rare railroad machines of 2026, the Liebherr RE 25 M Litronic Railroad. A machine built not just for power, but for absolute precision on rail networks that never sleep. Asterisk the year 2026 marks a new chapter for rail maintenance technology. And the RE 25 M Litronic is one of the clearest examples of how advanced modern railroad machines have become. This isn't just a maintenance vehicle, it's a multifunction powerhouse designed to transform how railway lines are repaired, upgraded, and kept safe. Built by Liebherr, a brand known globally for heavy machinery excellence, the RE 25 M combines mobility, strength, and next-level digital intelligence to deliver performance that older rail machines can't even come close to. Asterisk from the moment this machine rolls onto the tracks, it immediately stands out with its compact yet muscular design. Don't let the size fool you, the RE 25 M packs a serious punch. Its entire frame is engineered for maximum stability, allowing operators to work safely even in tight or elevated sections of the rail. The reinforced structure is built to withstand continuous vibrations, extreme weather, and long working hours, making it ideal for the demanding world of track maintenance. Asterisk, one of the biggest highlights of the 2026 RE 25 M Litronic is its hybrid mobility system. This machine can operate both on standard terrain and directly on rail tracks, thanks to its retractable rail wheel guidance module. With a quick switch system, it transforms from a wheeled vehicle to a dedicated railway machine in seconds. This means operators don't have to rely on special transport or extra equipment. The RE 25 M can simply roll into position, drop its rail wheels, and get straight to work. That saves time, manpower, and costs, making it an essential vehicle for modern rail projects. Asterisk, at the heart of the machine is Liebherr's iconic Litronic control technology. This system brings digital intelligence into every movement of the machine. The operator gets real-time monitoring, precise joystick control, smart hydraulic responses, and safety alerts that make working on tracks more secure. The Litronic system is what makes the RE 25 M feel smooth, responsive, and almost effortless to operate, even when handling heavy tools or working in complex areas. Asterisk speaking of power, the 2026 model is equipped with a robust engine built to deliver high torque and stable performance. Rail maintenance often involves lifting, pulling, drilling, and clearing heavy materials, and the RE 25 M handles all of that with ease. Its hydraulic system is strong enough to support attachments for cutting rails, driving posts, clearing ballast, removing debris, and performing precision work during rail replacement. Asterisk the machine's 360-degree upper structure rotation makes it incredibly flexible. With full swing capability, operators can position tools exactly where they're needed without moving the entire machine along the track. This is a huge advantage during tight schedules or emergency repair missions where speed matters. Asterisk. Another standout feature is the enhanced operator cabin designed for 2026. The cabin is fully climate-controlled with ergonomic seating, advanced noise reduction, and a wide-view visibility system. Multiple cameras give the operator a complete look at the track environment, reducing blind spots and improving safety for nearby workers. The digital display panel shows engine performance, tool pressure, alignment data, and alerts in real time, making every task more controlled and accurate. Asterisk the RE 25 M also demonstrates strong eco-efficiency. Updated emissions controls and optimized fuel consumption allow it to deliver high performance without wasting energy. In an industry where machines run for long hours, this significantly reduces operational costs and environmental impact. It's built for a future where strength and sustainability must work together. Asterisk Liebherr has also focused heavily on safety. The machine includes advanced braking, automatic level correction on uneven rail surfaces, and electronic stability support. This keeps the machine steady even during heavy lifting or fast maneuvering on the tracks. Additional work lights provide excellent visibility during night operations, which are common in rail maintenance to avoid interrupting daytime train schedules. Asterisk. What truly makes the RE 25M Litronic special is its versatility. Rail networks need machines that can handle multiple tasks without switching equipment constantly. This machine can lift rails, clear obstacles, drill foundations, trim vegetation along the track, and assist in upgrading electrical systems. It's a one-stop solution for most railway maintenance jobs. And that's why so many rail operators consider it the backbone of their fleet. Asterisk in 2026. Where rail infrastructure is expanding and modernization is happening at high speed, machines like the Liebherr RE 25M Litronic are essential. They help teams complete projects faster, safer, and with more precision than ever before. Whether it's repairing a damaged track, installing new components, or performing routine line surveys, this machine is built to deliver peak performance every time. Asterisk, if you enjoyed discovering this powerful railroad machine, then make sure you're subscribed to Daily Drives. We bring you the world's most advanced vehicles, from futuristic trucks to electric trikes and extreme engineering machines just like this. Hit the like button if you learned something new. Share this video with fellow machine lovers. And let me know in the comments which vehicle you want to see next. Asterisk. Thanks for watching Daily Drives, where the future of vehicles comes alive. See you in the next video.